The significance of unique handmade wooden craft projects in modern interior home decor extends far beyond mere aesthetics. It encapsulates a profound connection to artistry, sustainability, and personal expression that resonates deeply with contemporary values. In an age where mass production often leads to uniformity and a sense of disposability, the charm and character of handmade wooden crafts stand as a testament to the enduring appeal of individuality and creativity. Each piece, meticulously crafted by skilled hands, carries its own story, imbued with the maker's intention and personal touch, which infuses living spaces with a sense of authenticity and warmth that is increasingly sought after in modern design. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique handmade wood craft ideas you can use for your home or sale. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the most compelling aspects of unique handmade wooden crafts is their ability to reflect the personality and values of the homeowner. In a world where personal expression is highly prized, the inclusion of one-of-a-kind wooden pieces allows individuals to curate their environments in a way that feels deeply personal and meaningful. Unlike mass-produced items that often lack character and depth, handmade crafts offer a sense of uniqueness and originality that can transform a house into a home. These pieces often serve as conversation starters, inviting guests to engage with their stories and the craftsmanship behind them. This narrative quality adds layers of meaning to the decor, making each item not just a decorative object but a part of the homeowner's journey and identity. Additionally, the tactile nature of wood contributes significantly to its appeal in modern interiors. The warmth of wood, both in its color and texture, creates a welcoming ambience that can soften the often stark and minimalist qualities of contemporary design. Wood has an innate ability to evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility, making spaces feel inviting and lived in. The organic imperfections found in handcrafted wooden items, such as knots, grain variations, and hand-carved details, further enhance their charm, celebrating the beauty of nature and the artistry of the maker. This connection to nature is particularly important in today's urban environments, where many individuals crave a sense of grounding and a reminder of the natural world. Incorporating handmade wooden crafts into interior decor provides a tangible link to the earth, fostering a sense of balance and harmony in one's living space. Sustainability is another critical factor that elevates the significance of unique wooden craft projects in modern home decor. As environmental awareness grows, more consumers are seeking out sustainable options for their homes. Handmade wooden crafts often utilize reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials, reducing the ecological footprint associated with traditional manufacturing processes. By choosing to invest in these unique pieces, homeowners not only support artisans and their craft but also contribute to a more sustainable future. This alignment with eco-friendly practices reflects a broader cultural shift towards conscious consumption, where individuals prioritize quality and sustainability over quantity and convenience. The result is a home filled with meaningful, eco-conscious items that resonate with the values of both the maker and the owner. The process of creating handmade wooden crafts also fosters a sense of mindfulness and connection that is often absent in our fast-paced, technology-driven lives. Many artisans engage in woodworking as a form of meditation, finding solace in the rhythmic motions of shaping and finishing the material. This meditative quality can be transferred to the consumer as well. When individuals incorporate these handcrafted items into their homes, they invite a sense of intentionality and presence into their spaces. The effort and care that go into crafting each piece remind us of the value of patience, dedication, and the importance of nurturing our creativity. In a society that often glorifies speed and efficiency, the slow, thoughtful process of creating and appreciating handmade wooden crafts stands as a counterbalance, encouraging individuals to appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship and the stories behind each item. Moreover, the significance of these unique handmade crafts extends into the realm of community and connection. Many artisans are deeply rooted in their local communities, often drawing inspiration from their surroundings and collaborating with other makers. This strong sense of community not only supports local economies but also fosters a culture of sharing and learning. Workshops, craft fairs, and online platforms dedicated to handmade goods create spaces for artisans and consumers to connect, share ideas, and appreciate the art of craftsmanship. By purchasing unique wooden pieces, individuals participate in this community, supporting the livelihoods of artisans while also engaging with a network of like-minded individuals who value creativity, sustainability, and authenticity. This interconnectedness enriches the experience of home decor, transforming the act of decorating into an opportunity for connection and celebration of local talent. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Additionally, unique handmade wooden crafts embody a timeless quality that transcends fleeting trends in interior design. While styles may come and go, the enduring appeal of wood ensures that these pieces remain relevant and cherished over time. Unlike many mass-produced items that may quickly fall out of favor or become outdated, handmade wooden crafts often gain character and significance as they age, becoming even more beautiful and meaningful with the passage of time. This resilience speaks to the inherent value of investing in quality, handcrafted items that tell a story and hold memories. In an era marked by rapid change, the stability and timelessness of wooden crafts provide a sense of continuity and permanence, anchoring a home in a way that ephemeral trends cannot. The emotional resonance of handmade wooden crafts further underscores their significance in modern interiors. These pieces often elicit feelings of nostalgia, recalling cherished memories or evoking connections to family traditions and heritage. For many, the act of crafting is deeply intertwined with personal history, passed down through generations. Incorporating these crafts into one's home allows individuals to celebrate their roots and honor the legacy of those who came before them. Each handcrafted item can serve as a reminder of family gatherings, shared moments, and the love that has been infused into the creation process. This emotional connection elevates the role of decor from mere functionality to a heartfelt expression of life's experiences, enriching the overall atmosphere of the home. As we consider the significance of unique handmade wooden craft projects in modern interior home decor, it becomes clear that these items serve as more than just decorative elements. They embody the values, stories, and connections that define our lives. The beauty of handcrafted wooden pieces lies in their ability to reflect individuality while fostering a sense of community, sustainability, and mindfulness. In a world where authenticity is increasingly cherished, the inclusion of unique wooden crafts enriches living spaces, creating environments that inspire, comfort, and connect. By embracing these handmade treasures, individuals not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of their homes but also cultivate a deeper appreciation for the artistry, creativity, and values that shape their lives. Ultimately, the significance of unique handmade wooden craft projects transcends mere decor, becoming integral to the narrative of home and the human experience. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique handmade wood craft ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.